Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we're going to show you how to pay with gift cards on Temu. Now, if you have gift cards or on Temu, it's called coupons. You need coupons, right? All you need to do is, of course, you need to be on your shopping cart, and what you want to do is check out, of course. So tap on checkout on the lower right corner of the screen, like that. And here you're going to have your payment methods. You have Gcash, cards, PayPal, COD. It's not available right now. You scroll down a little bit. It's going to say apply coupon code. So what you want to do is tap on that, and this pop-up will appear, and you will be able to apply the coupon code that you have so that you can pay using that for your Temu shopping. So it's that easy. That's how you do it. Just, of course, you need to make sure that your code is not expired yet, that it's new, that it's working, or else it's not gonna work. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next video.